Welcome to the next video, Supports and Resistances in Glib. In this video, I'm going to show you how supports and resistances are handled in Glib and how we can customize them to our own personal needs. Before we begin, I would like to recommend that you watch the introductory video and the chart patterns video for Glib. These cover the installation and basics of Glib. You can find the links to them in the video description. As we have already seen in the introduction video, our support and resistance levels are displayed on the right side of the screen. The thicker a line is means the more times it has already been tested. To get the exact number of touches, we can hover the mouse over a line at any time. The tooltip window that opens shows us from which time frame the price level comes. We also get the number of touches and the exact value of the level. It's easy to see where the data of a support or resistance comes from. The lines have been given the following structure for this purpose. The baseline between the extreme points in the chart indicates which extreme points Glib uses to perform the calculation. So you can see which was the first price at this level and which was the last. In this way, you can quickly see at what times the value has already been tested. The dashed line extends these key price levels to the right, so you can immediately see at which point movement could possibly occur. The extension at the end of the line serves to simplify the overview for you. Shorter time frames get shorter lines and longer time frames get longer ones. This allows you to quickly and easily identify clusters and use them for your benefit. Now we come to the pivot points. The beginning of the line always results from the beginning of the valid pivot cycle. For example, daily pivot points start at the beginning of the day. The values for bar history, tolerance, and the zigzag parameters have already been worked through in the video for the chart patterns. The support and resistance work on the same principle, so we will continue with the other settings here. Here, the settings for the time frames also determine in which time frame the support and resistances are to be calculated. The pivot points can be set separately. With the setting minimum touches, you can determine how often a price level must be touched before it becomes valid as support or resistance. Now we come to the setting only uncut lines. In the normal state, this value is set to false. This means that all touches on a price level within the bar history are taken into account in the calculation. If the setting is now changed to true, only the price levels that have not yet been cut will be taken into account. You have now learned how the support and resistance lines are displayed in Glib and how you can optimally adjust them to your trading needs. Next, let's cover the trading buttons. You will be surprised how easily they will support your trading and money management. Our goal is to provide you with the most comfortable and profitable trading experience possible. Of course, we are always available for you personally. Just visit us at soft.studio. Glib. Less work, more life.